Sydney Fish Market, one of my favourite places in the city. It is always hustling, bustling. We've been on the auction floor, and this is what feeds Australia right here. There we go. We're on. We've helped the boys unload the boats. All right, that's pretty good. And today, it's no different. It's all action stations. I've got two great recipes. Have a look at it. We've got grilled romesco prawn. Oh, they look perfect. Little dab of our romesco sauce. It's a very tasty looking plate. The guys at the Co-op have done an exceptional job, and I think I've done the produce justice. Plus, I'm going to whip up into the seafood school. So this is sort of the base of our sauce, is it?
It is.
Something
You could
like
actually do it as a dipping sauce. Perfect.
They look so pretty. The humble mullet. We've got a really delicious hot smoked mullet. Just going to lay them onto the bars with lemon potato hash. That looks great. Beautiful flavours. I am so happy about this. I'm going to just try a little bite of the potato. That's so good. Super moist, super delicate. Look at that big piece. Wow. Another great day at Sydney Fish Market, cooking with the best seafood in the world right here in the best city in the world.